So, when you look at charts, you have to see what their three core numbers are, then what their pinnacle is, and then what their year is. So, when you analyze the year, it's not just to analyze for that year. You have to analyze the year in the pinnacle, and then how is that energy going to relate and affect with this number, right? So a number 5 year in a number 3 pinnacle is fine, but a number 4 year in a number 3 pinnacle might have trouble. Do you see what I mean? So yes, you can say that, okay, it's a number 9 year and I finish and do closing and everything, but you are in a number 5 pinnacle. Do you see what I mean? So 5 and 9 is also a bit of a conflict, right?
So then letting go is going to be more of a challenge too.
Yeah, and the letting go would actually be more of a letting go.
Yeah.
Yes, it would actually be, might be easier to let go actually, because you're in a 5 pinnacle.
Right.
If you're in a 4 pinnacle and it's a 9, might be a bit harder or more more painful to let go.
So because she's in the 5, you're already in a flow within the overriding energy of the pinnacle.
Yeah.
So therefore, bring that to the personal year 9. Within that, then because you're already, and it's your second one, because we know that too. Then it's almost actually you're already in that flow. You've already gone through the first 5, which was, let's say, the more it's prepared you for what you're now in.
Yes.
So in fact, it could very well be easier to just keep going with the flow and just allow.
Exactly.
So it could be really quite amazing.
Transitional.
Yeah.
Getting faster,
Or
and then deeper and deeper.
transitional. Yeah. Which is really good. Which is fun.
Transformation.
Yeah.
Transformation with a lot more ease. Struggle.
It's just it's
You just realize you're just at the top of
Just
your
at the
pinnacle.
top.
And then
jet coaster going.
yes. It's like, I know you're trying hard to like the number 5. And every time she goes, 9 more years.
Just keep giving me some challenges.
Yeah, but it's not a challenge in a bad way.
Oh no,
Yeah,
not
it's a
bad
challenge
way.
in a fun way.
It's not only fun.
Not quite fun yet.
after I see the past, I
Also,
feel very clean.
Yes.
I can see,
mm,
but it's not only fun
yes,
because it's not me.
yes.
But eventually, it's a good way to approach it.
So interesting to
It's
see
just
a different number in a 5 pinnacle.
Second,
Yeah.
just started from this year until 54 years, 9 years, to
7 years.
7 years and a half.
7 years and a half. Yeah, because it changes in the 7th year, not in the 9th year. It will start changing in the 7th year. So you'll be
7th
fine.
year.
Yes.
Start changing into 2.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
In the 7th year, not 9. So it's just like 7 years.
7 more years. Quite long.
Yes. Not a 7, 9.
1 year, 365 times 7. See number 8 coming out.
Yes, that's the number 8.
And also only in your personal 9 year for just the 1 year, you know,
Yes.
and the next
Then
year
you have another 1 year, number 2 year, number 3 year, which is
different
I,
in
I,
relation to
I don't want to know the months of the day.
You don't want to know the month and the day.
No.
Ah,
I
okay.
feel it's enough,
Yes,
right?
Yes. You don't need to be that in.
I want to see the overall.
Yes.
Not the
That's the
micro.
big picture of the number
Today,
8.
open the window and today is the number 5. Today is number 9.
And today's number 4.
Today better stay on the bed.
Yes, exactly. You know, sometimes for me, on number 4 days, And number 7 days, I just stay in bed.
Do you
It's
check
like-
every day?
No,
Okay.
I only check for if number 4 days.
Oh, okay, that is important.
If it is a number 4 day, I am not going to do business.
Okay.
And I'm not going to meet people to ask for money or work.
Okay, I want to know number 4.
Yes, so I only check for number 4 days. I don't have a problem with number 7 days or number 9 days, but normally I know when it's a number 7 day when I'm just wake up and I feel,
Yeah. How about number 7?
yeah,
Day of the 7?
yes,
It's not that bad. Right?
no, it's not that bad.
It's just changing.
It's just a number 4.
Self-care, yeah, better stay.
But for you, a number 4 day is not that problem. It's the number 5
Really?
day, so you just check for number 5 days.
Okay, I cross number 4, prepare to cross number 4, and then a 5 totally cross.
Yeah.
A 6 of
That's fine.
knowing about the number makes how logical life.
It is. There is a system. It's not.
System, yeah, very
The,
system.
the numbers do have a system. It's not just all over the place.
Because for me, with a number 4 day, I know not to just don't push,
Yeah.
don't force anything.
Don't push anything.
Like,
Just
if I'm going to be traveling, I try to make sure I'm not traveling on a 4 day.
and just fix the problem. You just know that there's going to be some problems or
There's going to be something, and then it's
something.
like, okay, just be aware of that so I can adjust with ease.
Yeah, I like number 5 days because I always know.
Because
Even
number
though
5.
I know, but I even the number 5 days, even though I want to stay home, something has
Yes,
called
yes.
me to go outside.
Because your number 5 is gonna double power.
Yes, double
to
power
push you
to
out.
push me out.
Yeah.
It's like even if I don't want to, it will still push me out. This is interesting. So it's the same thing with the year, right? Even if you don't want to, something will come into your life to facilitate that energy, to facilitate those opportunities, to facilitate those type of events. Right? So the events will happen. Very interesting. We just don't know what events, but it will be in the same energetic field of that. Yeah. So Nikki is in a number 5 here, in a number 3 pinnacle, and she is a number 6 life number. 6. So how do you